Hello everyone, welcome to She Drives Data's Tableau classes. Today we are going to give you an introduction to Tableau. So what is Tableau? Tableau is an interactive data visualization tool and yet another Silicon Valley product. Tableau was founded in 2003 by Chris Stolt and became an IPO 10 years later. Since then, Tableau has taken the data science world by storm with its interactive visualizations. They also plan to integrate artificial intelligence to its platform in the future. Why learn Tableau? We have outlined 4 main reasons why you must learn Tableau. Data visualizations is going to stay. As data grows, we need to represent this data and its analysis visually. Tableau is a data analysis tool that can be easily presented to a non-technical audience. It is a leader in data visualization and far ahead of its competitors including SAS, SAP, Click, etc. according to Gartner. Its efforts to integrate AI will make it even more sought after tool in the future. Ease of learning. Tableau Public is a free software where you can create your visualizations and upload it to the cloud. Tableau is very easy to learn and is extremely intuitive. It supports several graphs, charts, maps, etc. The third advantage of learning Tableau is connecting to the data source. You can connect Tableau to many data sources from MS Excel to web-based data to big data. If you need to perform intense analysis on Tableau, you can also connect it to R. High demand in the job market. Tableau skills are highly valued in the job market while applying for positions like data analyst, business intelligence analyst, business intelligence developer, etc. Tableau certifications and having a strong Tableau profile on your Tableau Public can add value to your profile to a great extent. So first you download Tableau Public from this link. I have linked a page that will guide you through the downloading process at the notes section of this video. It's very simple and intuitive. After you're done downloading, you install the file and you open it. Once you open it, you reach the screen and here you see so many kinds of files that you can connect to Tableau. You go to File, open a new Tableau workbook. Yeah, and this is your workspace, and we'll go into details about what it does later on. So first let's connect our data. Click on Connect to Data. Connect Excel, that's what I'm using right now. Connect to Superstore Data. Yep, you're here. So these are the sheets that we have in our Excel file. If you click on this little icon here, you'll get a view. See, this is what our worksheet looks like. You have product, category, city, country, customer ID, order ID, etc. And similarly, you have data in these two sheets as well. So once you drag these sheets here, you will find them at the bottom. Yeah. So here we can see row ID, order date, ship date, etc. And if you notice, Tableau has automatically detected the data format. Like this is number, this is a string, this is a date, this is a date, and this is. So which data do we use for our visualizations? In order to do that, we drag these sheets here and they will be visible here. And if you notice, Tableau has automatically determined the type of data represented in these columns. Row ID is a number, order ID is a string, order date is a date, ship date is a date, and so on. So if you want other data from other sheets to be represented here as well, for example returns and orders have one common column, that is order ID. Here we have an order ID and here also we have an order ID. So these two tables, returns and orders, and can be combined to form a big table with the order ID being the primary key. So orders we've already added. Now we can add the returns as well. See, they formed a union using order ID as a primary key. Now there will be field for both orders and returns will be present in this big table. Yeah, order ID returns is marked separately. They've been combined. Now let's move on to our worksheet. It's executing. See, worksheet has, this is where all the visualization happens. It has a data pane, an analytics pane, and we can manipulate the visualization using all these tools here, and cards. These are called shelves and these are called cards. And the next method to view the visualization is through a dashboard. Here we can add multiple sheets. See, if we have visualization in sheet 1 and another visualization in sheet 2, we can combine them to form a dashboard here. We can add these sheets here and it'll come one after the other, and however you want to arrange them. And so multiple sheets form a dashboard. And stories. A story contains a sequence of worksheets or dashboards, and that they convey an information. And story has a layout pane and a story pane. We'll walk through stories and dashboards later on in later tutorials. For now, let's just stick on to sheets. So sheets, if you look at sheets, they have two main entities. One is dimensions and one is measures. So dimensions are those fields that cannot be aggregated. For example, order ID or postal code or region. They cannot be aggregated, right? And measures are something that can be aggregated. You can work on these measures to form new columns, right? If you take profits and sales, you can find out how much was the cost of goods, right? So they can be manipulated. You can create new fields out of them. You can aggregate existing fields. So those are measures, and those that cannot be aggregated are dimensions. And dimensions fields are usually used for row or column headings, right? So that's it for our introductory class on Tableau. In the next class, we will explore the functions of all these tools and spaces and create some exciting visualizations. Subscribe to us to get our updates, join our community at Sheroes App, or visit our website where we talk a lot of data science.